Hello, Keller class. It's Friday the 22nd of January, and I thought today we could do with a little bit more practice on dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, where the number that we're dividing isn't in our normal times tables up to 12 times that number. So we're not going to partition just into our tens and our ones. We have to partition a little bit differently like we did yesterday. So looking at question 1, I've got 70 divided by 5. So 70 needs to go into my top section of my part-whole model. I'm now going to split 70 into numbers that I know are in the 5 times tables. So I'm going to split my 70 up into 50 for my tens and 20 ones. And then I'm going to do exactly like we learnt yesterday. So I'm going to say 50 divided by 5 equals, counting in 5s to 50, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That takes 10. Next one, looking at the ones number, 20. Divided by 5 equals, counting in 5s to 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 4. Now you'll all know what the next step is. That's where we've got to add our two answers together. So we're going to add 10, add 4 equals, 10 add 4 makes 14. And I need to remember to put my answer up here. So 70 divided by 5 is 14. Let me clear that. And I can scroll down. On the next question, 52 divided by 4. 52 divided by 4. I'm going to put 52 here. And I'm going to split my number 52 up into, I know, 40, because I know that's 10 lots of 4. And then the difference between 40 and 52 is 12, and I know that 12's in the 4 times table. So 40 divided by 4 equals, and I've told you that I know this, it's 10. So 12, and remember you'll be able to write the divided sign, won't you? Not like me having to type it. So let's count in 4s to 12. 4, 8, 12, and that took 3. The next step, as you know, is to add those two answers together. So 10 plus 3 equals 10 and 3, 13. And remembering to put my answer back up here. So 52 divided by 4 is 13. Clear those drawings and have a look at, the next one. 38 divided by 2. 38 divided by 2. I'm going to put 38 here. And then I'm going to put 20 here. And 38 take away 20. I can count back in tens. 38 in my head, 28, 18. It leaves me with 18. This is where we really need to know our tables, isn't it, Keller class, to help us with this. So 20 divided by 2 equals, let's check, but we know it's 10. Let's just check though. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 10. Perfect. Then 18 divided by 2 equals 9. It's 1 less than 20. It's 1 mod of 2 less than 20. So I know that it's 1 less than 10. So it's 9. Let's just check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 9 fingers. The next stage, as always, is to add those 2 answers together. Perfect. 38 divided by 2 is 19. Okay. Right, so this is where we're going to pause our video, and this is where you're going to carry on with your learning. So you're going to split 48 into numbers that are in the 3 family. Okay. And then divide the number you put there by 3 and the number you put there by 3. Okay. Your rest of your questions are here. And can you see I haven't done the part-whole models for you, but you have to use them. So when you're doing question 5, you'll need to draw your part-whole model and think, oh, what numbers can I split 50 up into that I know are in the 2 times table? You might want, like we had yesterday, 3 parts. So for 50, you might want to do 20, 20 and 10. Because 20, 20 and 10 make 50. For this one, you might want 3 bits. You might want to have 20, 20, 4 bits, 20 and a 15 if you wanted to do. Lots of different ways of doing it. You can have as many parts as you like to help you with your learning. I've just been using 2, but sometimes you might want to use 3. Good luck, and remember, we want to see pictures of your learning today on Dojo.